dock over here. Um, Before I show you the bottom and I get to an estimate, the zincs, looks like there should be two-inch shaft zincs and two DP612 cran 2 zincs, um, all four of which do need to